Hey, come on in. Velmy Cherry here. Welcome. This is a part 2 of this whole situation on the face. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. We do everything beauty related here. We create beautiful faces like this on a budget, and we also review beauty products as well. And for those who are coming back, thank you so much. Do check out the face or the base of the face on the video up top here. I'm coming in to get the eyes out the way because it's a whole situation we got going on. I wouldn't have time to, fit this into the video of the face, so I'm coming in to focus solely on the eye. So on the eyelid, I have this putty primer from e.l.f. This is an old dry mama here. I kind of loosen it up with a concealer, one of the Camo Concealer, hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade of Neutral 10. And then we created this base on the eyelid, okay? And palette of the day for the eyes today is this Morphe palette, this Artistry 35o3. Not sure how long ago this palette came out, but this is a new palette to me. I'm so happy I was able to get it. It's gonna have to stay like this. I'm so happy I was able to get it. I couldn't wait to come in and play with it. This is she. Beautiful, stunning palette. So we're gonna go ahead and play and slay and do all that goodness here with this palette. Let me get my brushes situated. All right, so I'm going out to, it's still daytime. I don't want to do something too crazy, but I'm gonna pop in these orangey corally shades on here onto the lid, and I'm gonna use this shade here to set the eyelid, and this would be Major Hottie right here. I'm showing you the palette upside down, but it's supposed to be like this shade right here. I'm going by the little sticker that's on the cover of the palette. Yo, this is not even a brownie or an orangey shade, but we still have that orangey effect. Let's go ahead and pull you guys closer. Do y'all see Major Hottie? I'm not mad at it. It just seems to be darker once applied than what it shows on the palette. I'm gonna go with the other shade up top because it's much lighter. Savage. On the brow bone. Same brush. Just to diffuse that orangey shade. To intensify the orangey shade, we're gonna go into, I'm afraid. I wanna go into In Command, which is this one right here. It's fiery orange. We're gonna take it much lower into the crease. Like so. I almost wanna do an all orangey lid as well. Like so. Going back to Major Hottie. Gonna go ahead and blend that out. And on the lid, honestly, I want to use this one and call it a day. Domination. I want to use Domination, which is this shimmery shade, or This one, Embers. Oh, Embers is nice. Let's go with Domination on the outer part. Y'all see? And Hot Comments. No, Embers on the inner part of the lid. It is so simple, but it is hot. It is hot, honey. So simple, but hot. Let me, mix the two together, marinate everything so it doesn't look too chopped up. That's pretty. That's all I see myself doing with this palette. Underneath, I'm gonna go ahead and use another shade, much more brownish. That same small brush, I'm gonna dust off that orangey shade and go into Ignition, which is this one, on the lower lash line. She is fire. Simple but fiery. I want to pop a shade of gold right in the tear duct area, and I want to go with Stun Wild, which is right next to that other shade right here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let me pop on a brown wing liner and do the other eye off camera and the lips and everything, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, this is the end result for the eye. I like it. I like it a lot. Like, everything has an orange undertone and everything is smooth and blendable. There's so many colors I am yet to use from this palette. I can't wait. I'm so happy for this. I mean, that I finally grabbed this palette. I don't know how many ages ago it's been out here, but now it's my time to shine with it, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. And we are shining already on the eyelid today, and hope y'all enjoyed the eye look. It was a quick one, but on to the point. This palette didn't give me any trouble. I was just whoop 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 and then done deal. I like that. Sometimes that's what we need. We don't need to do all over the, going overboard. And the simplest swatch on the lid with these shades gave me the inspiration to get this going, and we're done with this eyelid. Happy for it. I'm enjoying it. Let me go ahead and pop on something bright orangey and hit the streets. Hope y'all enjoyed. Comment in the, leave some comment. Let me know what you guys think of this palette, and then I will see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to check out the face look as well. And until next time, bye bye.